Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
First, locate your model and serial number on your dryer. This is how you'll pull up information on your specific unit. Both gas and electric clothes dryers require electricity to run, but gas dryers also require a gas hookup to generate heat. When making comparison between gas and electric drying, performance may differ slightly between the two. Gas dryers use natural gas or propane to generate heat and electricity to power the drum, fan, lights, and controls. Electric dryers are completely powered by electricity. How to load your dryer. Place laundry in the dryer. Do not tightly pack or overload the dryer. Clothes should be able to move freely. The dryer setting you use depends on the fabric and recommendations on your garment's care tag. As a general rule, higher temperatures are best used for heavy items like towels, jeans, and jackets. Low to medium heat settings are ideal for sheets, blouses, and undergarments, while no heat settings are designed for heat-sensitive fabrics or garments containing rubber or plastic. Normal. This cycle can be thought of as regular and automatically stops the load when optimal dryness levels are reached. Heavy. This is for large bulky items like robes or comforters. A heavy-duty dry setting uses higher temperatures and longer cycles to get them completely dry and fluffy. Delicate. This dryer setting uses a low temperature to dry and help prevent your clothes from shrinking. Dryer sheets work by reducing static, depositing scents, and help make laundry feel softer to the touch. Starting your dryer. Press the power button to turn the unit on. Press and hold the Start Pause button for 3 seconds to start the dryer. Dryers use moisture sensors to monitor when clothes are dry. Once the sensors no longer detect moisture, the dryer turns off automatically. Dryer maintenance. First, remove lint from the lint trap. Next, clean debris from the vent. And wipe residue off dryer drum.